Welcome to Naga City, Cebu. Merry Christmas!
I'll be home for Christmas. It's playing on the stereo. That fireside got us feeling good while we're cuddled up praying for snow. Presents wrapped in ribbon under the tree. Let's act like little kids faking sleep to catch a peek. Let's put some cookies out for Santa, dance around in our pajamas to some insane.
So guys, this is the newly opened maze here in the city of Naga, diri sa Cebu. It's just near the boardwalk. And if you can see the kagtauron, because it's going to be also the same day for the Christmas tree lighting.
I'll be home for Christmas. It's playing on the stereo. That fireside got us feeling good while we're cuddled up praying for snow. Presents wrapped in ribbon under the tree. Let's act like little kids faking sleep to catch a peek. Let's put some.
So this wasn't here before. Katunas layo. Not this one yet. So this is the new boardwalk. You can see the hagtaw and there are ships over there. Kitty! What? Let's find food. So this is Potato Giant.
Rice. Your
There's
favorite
actually a lot of food in here. Yes.
rice.
Oh, go with daddy.
You want rice? What? Do you want? Or chew. Classic lemonade or apple? Cucumber lemonade. This one?
Go order. Kana na upsize.
Upsize niya. Upsize. Upsize niya. Salang. Cheese, barbecue, sour cream, fries.
Tay, what time mo open? What time mo mag-open?
197, sir.
I mean, in yung schedule, Jud. 2 p.m. to
10 p.m.
10 p.m. So, mao nilang area, kan-anan nila. Wedges. Cheese wedge.
Dito.
Kurang hatag imong kauban.
How is it, Kidi? Good? Okay. Hey guys, so I'd like to give a special shout out to Minglanilla Skateboarding. Daghang salamat sa pa-intro. Name.
Shout out to Mimi.
Name. Ha?
Jericho Adlawan. Clyde Karen. Ano? Roldan. Charles Rabanes Burger ka sa akin. Karen Demora. Quaker Guava.
Shagit mo be, Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas! Pasko kay Naga.
Arma Banban. Okay. Coolers. Posting. Oh, copyright! Oh, copyright! Ay, kalami sa mga mangga. Gatapot. Asa? Ah, okay. Ano na yung mga toys, footwear, balot. Ah, kana ba Aventinos? Gi-vlog na namo nila May og Sir Josh. Shout out Aventinos. Agi na sa mi. Kulami sa mga balut. Balut is waving. So guys, nami karon sa Naga, uban si Gracie M, and we'll be meeting some of the BYC as well for a mukbang here at the cookout. We're actually on our way there to the cookout right now. If you can see that black container van, over there is already the cookout, guys.
Watching as the morning sun rises, as I walk on my way through the rain, peel away every doubt that I have. I know we will be alright, alright. Coming and hearing people talking, as a new day awakes to embrace. Feel like words from an old prophet's dream, basking in the sunlight. This is the life, this is the life.